You guys, we need to talk about the one thing holding back mass adoption and keeping the average person terrified of crypto, the seed phrase. We've been told for years that true self-custody requires hiding 24 random words on a piece of paper or a metal plate. Let's be real, that's an outdated, high-stress system that belongs in the early days of the internet. If you lose that paper, your assets are gone. No recovery, no support, just digital dust. I've been digging into the charts and looking at where the smart money is moving, and it's all pointing toward account abstraction and better UX. Today, I'm showing you something that actually solves this. This is Ryder. It's the first seedless hardware wallet that makes self-custody feel like it belongs in 2026. This isn't just another gadget, it's a complete rethink of how security should work. The big problem with legacy wallets like Ledger or Trezor is the single point of failure. Lose the backup, lose everything. Ryder takes a completely different approach with the Ryder Recovery Network. Instead of relying on a seed phrase alone, it uses Shamir's secret sharing. Here's how it works. When you set up Ryder, your private key is never shown as a list of words. Instead, it's split into encrypted fragments. Ryder 1 distributes those fragments between your smartphone and your recovery tags. This is also the default recovery method. Lose your Ryder device? Just tap your phone and your tags, and you're back in. They also offer an optional social recovery system that removes stress even in worst-case scenarios. If you lose your device, your phone, and your tags, you don't panic. You simply get a new device and recover access using your trusted circle. As long as you have at least 4 recovery participants, you're back in. This is how crypto should have worked from day one. Now let's talk about design. The design was handled by Anomaly Design, the studio behind Ryder's distinctive modern aesthetic. Ryder 1 doesn't look like a cheap USB stick. It's a premium device with a rounded square form factor, a touchscreen, and a design that actually feels like a modern consumer product. It's compact enough to fit in your pocket, water-resistant, durable, and honestly, it feels closer to luxury tech than anything else in crypto. Beyond the looks, the utility is strong. Ryder isn't just for storage, it's deeply integrated into the Solana ecosystem and supports major Ethereum and Solana tokens. You can sign transactions and swap tokens using a simple tap-to-sign feature via NFC. No cables, no confusing menus, and no tiny buttons. You just tap the device to your phone, and the transaction is signed securely. Inside, you're getting institutional-grade security. It uses a secure element chip, the same technology used in high-end banking cards. Your private keys never leave that chip. Even though recovery is simple and user-friendly, the underlying encryption is as strong as it gets. This is what smart security looks like. It protects you not just from hackers, but from your own mistakes. Now, one question always comes up. What happens if the company disappears? That's a valid concern. But the direction here isn't about depending on a single company. It's about upgrading how recovery works altogether. With TapSafe, you're no longer locked into one fragile backup method. You get a flexible system with multiple recovery options that work together, fully self-custodial, but without a single point of failure. And here's the key update. You can now even import your existing seed phrase and layer TapSafe on top of it. So instead of choosing between old crypto and new crypto, you can actually combine both and upgrade your security without starting from scratch. This is what future-proof recovery looks like. Multiple backups, no single weak point, and a system that adapts to you, not the other way around. The market is shifting. We're moving from crypto is hard to crypto is everywhere. Capital is flowing into projects that prioritize user experience without sacrificing security. And Ryder is right at the center of that shift. It gives you the security of cold storage with the simplicity of a modern mobile experience. If you're tired of worrying about where you hid your seed phrase, or if you're looking for your first hardware wallet that actually makes sense, you should take a look at this. Don't sleep on this. Seedless security isn't just a trend, it's the direction the industry is heading. Check the link in the description, read the docs, and see how it works for yourself. And let me know in the comments, is the seed phrase dead? I think it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech building the future. I'll see you in the next one.